Hello students, welcome to science class. Now in this video I am explaining the textbook exercise of lesson number 5, acid, bases and salt. So here the first question is, state difference between acid and base. So student, whenever you write acid, the difference between, so always you have to write according to marks only. If it comes in 2 marks, so you will write 2 points each. If it comes 3 marks, in 3 marks, so you will write 3 points each. So here 4 points are there, and one more point I will give you. So according to but you will learn all 5 points only, and among these 5 any 3 you can write. First point for acid. Acids are sour in taste, while bases are bitter in taste. Then second, acid turns blue litmus paper into red color, while base does not change the color of blue litmus paper. Same as acid does not change the color of red litmus paper, and bases turn red litmus paper into blue color. Now acids do not change the color of turmeric, while bases turn turmeric to red. And one more point I am telling you, that example also you can write. That example of acids are, you can write vinegar or lemon juice, and in bases, example of bases, you can write soap solution or baking soda solution. After that, question number 2, ammonia is found in many household products such as window cleaner. So it turns red litmus blue. So what is its nature? So here only given that ammonia turns red litmus blue. So you should know that which type of substance give blue color. So that is base only. So must be ammonia is basic in nature. Question number 3 is, name the source from which litmus solution is obtained and what is the use of this solution. And litmus solution, so that also I explained you, that litmus solution is obtained from lichens. Lichens is a plant, only one type of plant. And litmus solution, why we use litmus solution? Because you know that litmus solution is indicator only. So litmus solution is used as an indicator to find acidic and basic nature of the solution. Question number 4, is the distilled water acidic, basic or neutral? How would you verify it? So first of all, distilled water. What is distilled water? Distilled water means generally in water some minerals are there, some small salt also there. When you boil this water, what happen? Water turns into water vapor, and whatever minerals are present in water, that remain as it is only. So after this water vapor, when we cool, that water vapor again turns into water droplets, and this is a distilled water. In distilled water, nothing is there. It means generally pure water only, no mineral, nothing is there. That's why distilled water is a neutral in nature, and this can be used by this can be tasted by that litmus paper. It means that red and blue litmus paper. It means it. Then question number 5, describe the process of neutralization with the help of example. See, process of neutralization, that also when we add acid with base, that acid neutralize that effect of the base, and base is neutralize the effect of the acid. It means both the solution neutralize effect of the each other, and the resulting solution is neutral, neither acidic nor basic. So, and this process is called neutralization. It means that neutralization is a reaction between an acid and base, that here both acid and bases get neutralized. And for example, the sodium hydroxide is a base, NaOH, and added to the hydrochloric acid, that is HCl, gives sodium chloride, NaCl means common salt, and water, H2O. So the example equation is NaOH plus HCl gives NaCl plus H2O with evolution of heat. After that, question number 6, that is true or false. First, nitric acid turns red litmus blue. Now nitric acid, that is given only nitric acid, turns red litmus paper blue. That is incorrect only, because acid always gives red color. It means acid turns blue litmus paper red. So this statement is false. Second, sodium hydroxide turns blue litmus red. Sodium hydroxide is a base, and base turn red litmus paper to blue. So this statement is again false. Sodium hydroxide and hydrochloric acid neutralize with each other and form salt and water. Yes, because you know that sodium hydroxide is a base and hydrochloric is a acid. So acid plus base neutralize each other and form salt and water. So this statement is correct. Indicator is a substance which shows different colors in acidic and basic solution. Now yes, solution indicators, yes, because you know that all substances we cannot taste. So for that, to determine that whether this solution is acidic or basic, we use some indicators, some special substances, which shows that the given substance is acidic or basic by changing their color, and these are called indicators. So indicator is a substance which have different colors in acidic and basic solution. That is true. Next, tooth decay is caused by the presence of base. That is also false, because whenever you eat something, some food remains when that's left in your teeth. So what happened? It grows bacteria. Now this bacteria release some acid, and because of that acid, causes tooth decay. So can say tooth decay is caused by the presence of acid. So this statement is false. Now question 7. Dorji has a few bottles of soft drinks in his restaurant, but unfortunately there are not labeled which is acid, which is basic, and which is neutral. That's why only. So one customer wants acidic drink, another wants basic, and third one wants that neutral drink. So how will you Dorji decide that? So Dorji can taste a few drops out of soft drinks. You know that it means acidic. So which it means sour. So it means that acidic. Basic solution is bitter only, and neutral solution has no taste. So along with tasting, Dorji can use litmus paper also. It means that Dorji litmus paper to taste the nature of that drink. It should use blue litmus paper to first the acidic solution. Dorji has to put a drop of solution on blue litmus. If it turns red, then the solution will be acidic, because you know that acid turn blue litmus paper into red color. Similarly, he can use red litmus paper to taste the basic solution. So he has to put a drop of solution to red litmus. It is turn blue, then the solution will be the basic in nature. Now explain why. An antacid tablet is taken when you suffer from acidity. You know that acidity, it means our stomach HCl is present only, but sometimes you know that some too much amount of acid secretes in our stomach. So because of that we feel some uneasiness, or acidity is painful also. So that's why to neutralize the effect of excess amount of acid, we has to neutralize it with base. That's why we take antacid tablet, like a milk of, antacid tablet has it means milk of magnesia, which is the base. So when we take this base, so this base neutralize the effect of acid. Now second, calamine solution is applied on the skin when an ant bite. Now in ant bite, formic acid is present. So when ant bite, it injects formic acid in our skin. So because of that we feel some irritation or itching. So we to apply calamine solution in our skin, because calamine solution consists zinc carbonate and this is base only. So this base will neutralize the effect of formic acid and we feel relief. After that, factory waste is neutralized before disposing it into water bodies. Now again, in factory waste is acidic. When this type of acidic acidic waste released in water bodies, so whatever water organisms are there, it may they kill. So before disposing into water bodies, this type of acidic waste, it has to neutralize with base before disposing it into the water bodies. Now question 9, 3 liquids are given to you. One is hydrochloric acid, another is sodium hydroxide, and third is sugar solution. So how will you identify them? But here you have only turmeric indicator. Only turmeric indicator you have to use that. So first of all, one is acid, one is base, and one is neutral only. So add a solution to container with turmeric indicator. That if the solution is base, it means NaOH. Okay, so you know that base gives red color with turmeric. Now this same container, add some solution number 2, it means sugar solution. When you add sugar solution indicator, it turns unchanged, it remains unchanged, it means no color change. So it means because mixture of basic and neutral solution will remain basic in nature. Now similarly add the solution number 3, that in turmeric. So indicator change yellow to blue, then it will be the hydrochloric acid. Now question number 10, blue litmus is dipped in a solution, it remain blue. What is the source of the solution? Explain. See that above solution may be neutral or basic in nature, as both of them will not change the color of the blue litmus paper. Next 11, consider the following statement. Here 4 statements are given. Now among 4, first I am reading 4. Both acid and bases change color of all indicators. Second, if an indicator gives a color change with an acid, it does not give a change with a base. Third, if an indicator change color with base, it does not change color with acid. And 4, change of color in an acid and a base depends on the type of indicator. Which of these statement? Now which statement is correct? See that acid and bases change the color of all indicators, that is also not possible, no. Indicator gives color change with acid, it does not, ऐसा भी नहीं है. After that only last option is correct. Change of color is an acid and a base depends on the types of the indicator which we use. So only D option is correct. Okay students, so here that our exercise explanation of lesson number 5, acid, base and salt, is over. So after that I will send you PDF of lesson 5, and from this PDF you can complete, you can write textbook exercise in your CW. So we'll meet you soon. Thank you students.